Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang. And as you can see on the backdrop here, we are at our new facility in the Lakewood Ranch, Bradenton area. If you are from around here or vacation, we'd love for you to stop by, check out everything. Cars on inventory and storage spots. But this is the beautiful 289, white paint, tan interior, almost kind of like a peanut butter type interior. Convertible, absolutely beautiful. As you can see here on the interior, I love this color combination. It's got the pony interior on there. AC, it is an automatic, but just beautiful, beautiful ride. Go ahead and pop the trunk open here. Trunk is in great shape. Super clean. I'm gonna brighten that up for everybody. Very, very solid. Got the trunk rack as well. Love to see those when they come in, especially with the pony interior. Just got it all on this one. Go over here, jump up into the driver's seat real quick. Just beautiful. Awesome. All right, let's check under the hood, take it for a spin, and put her up on the hoist. Quick video to show how the back goes up on this, the top. Got a lock right there on one side, lock right here on the other side, and then we pull her right up. She locks right in there, and good to go. And then we pull her back. Tuck her right down in there. Lock one side. Lock the other side. Good to go. All right, got this Mustang, gonna take it for a spin. Beautiful color, beautiful paint, awesome ride. It drives very, very nice. We've got a little bit different of a path here now with this new spot. We don't really have to go on a main road too much. And we're able to get her up to speed. Very, very clean. Super nice. We'll go ahead and take a turn here. Drive super smooth, super straight. Awesome car. All right, let's go ahead and take her back and get her on the hoist. All right, got the Mustang up here on the lift. Beautiful car. Undercarriage is in great condition. Very well taken care of. Nothing seems to be too hidden by anything at all. Just a great, great overall car. True survivor. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call, shoot us an email. Love to hear from you. If you're in the area, come out and stop and see this in person. Take it for a spin. And as always, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.